Not too many people talk about Parkinson. It's like taboo almost.
The walk starts.
Together we can fight better.
Unity walks bring together the Parkinson's community.
It's showing that we are here.
This unity walk actually it's something to raise awareness among people.
Unity walk is to show the rest of the world that people with Parkinson exist.
I think it's great because it involves everybody. The notion of unity in the Parkinson's community is really important.
I'm proud to be part of this celebration.
I hope in the future we will see a lot of people walking for Parkinson across Europe.
It's just a wonderful initiative which I hope extends across the whole world and gives a message to everybody that we're not going to be beat. Let's beat Parkinson's.